In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with your sales team, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean one-on-one booking link your prospects can use and a simple way to share it with your pipeline or embed it on your website. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in with your work email and your password, or use your company's single sign-on if that's enabled. If your account has extra security like two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that as well. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types live. From here, click Create to set up a new event. Choose the one-on-one event type. This is perfect for sales because it lets a prospect pick a time that works for both of you without any back and forth. Give your event a clear, helpful name so prospects immediately know what they're booking. For example, a discovery call or product demo. Add a short description if you like, outlining what's covered and who should attend. Next, choose the duration. Pick a length that fits your sales motion, 15 minutes for quick qualification, 30 minutes for discovery, or 45 to 60 minutes for a deeper demo. Keeping timeframes consistent helps your team plan their calendars and keeps meetings focused. Now select the location. You can choose Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. If you use video, Calendly will automatically generate the meeting link, so your invite looks professional and includes all the details. For phone calls, let invitees know whether you'll call them or they should call a number you provide. Set your availability next. Pick the days and hours you want to offer and make sure they align with your territory or time zone. This is a great place to build in buffer times so you have breathing room before or after meetings, and to require a minimum scheduling notice so prospects can't book you last minute when you're not prepared. Choose who will host the meeting. If you're creating this for yourself, select your profile. If you're doing this for a teammate or managing several reps, select the appropriate host so confirmations and notifications go to the right person. Click Create to finish. Your event is now live. You can copy the scheduling link and send it to prospects in emails, sequences, and chat. For broader reach, embed the booking page on your website so visitors can self-schedule directly from your pricing or contact page. That's it. Your sales team now has a streamlined scheduling flow that saves time and helps close deals faster.